I'm standing at the light and I'm going to make a right somewhere to take Madison Avenue up. This is a short tour, New York City. Now technology made everything very easy. People cannot see many things or cannot visit or they don't want to visit. They can watch from videos, YouTube videos, many other, but YouTube is the largest and the biggest search engine, as well as many others like Facebook or TikTok or Instagram. Instagram owns by Facebook. And their head office mostly in Silicon Valley, but the second largest place where they have the largest office is that's in New York City, right here. Google is 16th Street and 9th Avenue. They have entire building owned by Google. Then Facebook have somewhere Broadway and 8th Street, I believe. I'm going to make it right here. 61st Street hotels are next to me, actually, very big hotels. Then Word of Storia, left hand side, right over there, they renovate, owns by Chinese investor. They bought it, very famous hotel called Word of Astoria. So beautiful hotel, a little bit expensive. In New York City, everything is expensive. This is one of the most expensive city, New York City. So Japan, Tokyo or London. I traveled to almost more than 37 countries, 37 countries, and been in each country maybe some 12, 13, 14, 15 times, some only one time. So now I don't travel. That was business travel, so 80% was my business travel where my business used to pay. So personal is always a little expensive to go, but still I used to go. Last year I went to Bermuda, Caribbean island, very famous Bermuda Triangle, but I took cruise, the large ship. And year before I went to Bahamas. Even I've been in mostly Caribbean island because of my business travel. So this is a Madison Avenue. Now I'm going to go straight to Madison Avenue. And right and left, all those stores are very expensive and name brand. This is a Dolce & Gabbana, is a German company, like I think 18 or 17 sometime they started there, 1700 or 1800. That can be checked also using Google search engine. My right hand side is a Brunello Cucinelli, more like Italian name. And the Armas is the other side on 5th Avenue, and some very large store on Madison and 5th Avenue actually. Louis Vuitton is located 5th Avenue, 57th Street corner, next to the now President Trump building, just like a short block, small block. Same Trump building and Louis Vuitton building is just like a maybe 200 feet from each other. But Tiffany is next to Trump building on 56th Street and 5th Avenue. One time I was in a rough diamond business, so my office was just few blocks from there. So I used to go every day in my office, 47th Street. It's a walk distance from the Prada. All those stores are on 5th Avenue. The right hand side are men, and left hand side also Ralph Lauren, which is Polo. That's in my left hand side, the Owens building. Ralph Lauren was the guy born in Queens, New York, not far from here, other border. His name was different, so he changed his name to Ralph Lauren, and that's his trademark also. Polo owns by Ralph Lauren, and his son married to former President Bush daughter. This is a Carlyle Hotel, right hand side, owns by Carlyle Group. They are very large hedge fund in the world actually. They raise every year, I think a few years ago it was $33 billion they raised for different funding. That's what hedge fund is all about. So there is so many hedge funds. Mostly located on Wall Street, downtown. His city tour, very short tour, but same time is a little informational. This is 86th Street I'm crossing, and very large health system, Mount Sinai Hospital. Very large. They purchase so many other hospitals also to bring it there under own umbrella. Mount Sinai, one of the best hospital in New York. They are specialized in everything, but kidney is their most specialty. I think they are 6th largest or 5th largest in the entire America. In front of me there's an Uber car. I'm gonna go a little bit right side. So there's a Chase Manhattan Bank right hand side. They also delivery. Take 96th Street, cut from west to east. I'm still east side, but because of this side, so it's west to east. I'm heading to east now. Sunlight is very bright. Lights can't see, so I have to cover that with my shade cover. And the right side is the bus line. Right start right here, this bus line, and sunlight is covering everything. It's very bright. It's hard to see, but because of shade cover makes it a little easy. The rent are here very expensive. I just live few blocks from here, so I'm going to take 2nd Avenue and then come around from 1st Avenue to take up, and it will be a little bit short tour, but it will become like a good informational video. because of Google services, like owns by Google, YouTube, Gemini AI, and many others. So their data is a very large data. That's why anything can be searched for informational purposes and to get knowledge. Also the billions of videos there, and teach free of charge. Mostly 99% are all video free of charge to teach people. It's a good source which I also watch all the time, and to learn new things. Many things I don't even heard it before, so I learn from Google, YouTube, or I search things from YouTube. Sometimes I use Gemini AI. So I'm also customer with Google. We have a lot of different services. I bought it. So I pay yearly, some I pay monthly. It depends what service is there. So, but they offer so many different services, including Google Workspace. So Google Workspace offer very wide range of information, but need to learn. I don't have much knowledge, but I still learning, because learning never end. Education never end. There is no age limit also. It goes from birth to the last day of on this earth. Learning continue. Knowledge is power. This is 2nd Avenue. I'm going to make it right here. It's a green light. So left hand side Metropolitan Hospital now is a 2nd Avenue. So I'm going to go take 1st Avenue a little bit further. Now light turn to green, so people start moving. I'm going to take 86th Street and go a little bit to residence of Mayor of New York. So I'm going to make short video there. The delivery trucks are left side and they are delivering. Mostly delivery truck comes very early morning or some midnight. So now I'm going to take a left 86th Street. There's a two-way street. This one is the 86th Street. Is a green arrow. This is subway right here, train station. Very convenient. So I'm going to turn off here now too.